Are you looking for an easy way to get high-fat keto coffee in the morning? Perfect Keto Coffee is made from organic, high-quality coffee and contains 10 grams of MCT oil powder per pouch. It has no sugar or weird fillers, so you don't have to worry about it kicking you out of ketosis. This isn't your grandpa's instant coffee out of a can. Perfect Keto Coffee is organic, great tasting, and easy to take on the go. They come in convenient single-serve packaging, so you can just throw them in your bag for mess-free coffee on the go. We all know that caffeine will get you fired up in the morning, but the addition of MCTs gives you quick, clean energy to the brain. Perfect Keto Coffee comes in 3 delicious flavors: regular coffee flavor, French vanilla, and if you're a chocolate fan, the mocha in the morning is a dream come true. My favorite part about Perfect Keto Coffee is how easily it mixes. There's no need for a blender. You can just add hot or cold water and stir for a frothy, creamy, delicious keto coffee. So I love this in the mornings when I'm late and I don't feel like making a full pot of coffee. I also love it when I'm traveling and I don't feel like drinking hotel coffee. And lately I've been really enjoying this as a pre-workout and just drinking it on my way to the gym. So if you're looking to really start your day on the right foot, try adding Perfect Keto Coffee to your morning routine.